Welcome back to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. I'm so happy you're here, everybody. Just one thing before we start our next tutorial. I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel, and please do give me a thumbs up if you like my tutorial. So now that's that. Today's project is going to be very simple. If you remember, the last project we did was about I'm sorry, that's my cat Pepper, who's running up and down the stairs. So the last project we did was the cookie liners, which came from this box. We made a wreath out of them. I'll put the link in the description for where you can find that video. And today what we are going to do is make a tier tray out of this. This has been with us forever. I don't know how long, but this candle stand has been forever. So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to make this stand here. You have the option of turning it around this way, making things stand here, or placing it this way. I will be doing it this way. So the first step is to know where exactly is the center. I'm going to use a combination of E6000 as well as the glue gun. E6000 is for the long run. Glue gun is for work. Glue gun is for getting it done right away. So it's a very simple project. Oh yeah, and we will be spray painting this later on. So now you have the option of either you could spray paint it first by removing these two and then spray painting it individually, or you could glue it first and then spray paint it later. I will be gluing it first and then spray painting it later, just so that we have a little bit of a rough surface over here so that it sits properly, snugly. So I'm just going to sand it a little bit. This will help it to sit nicely. Just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Okay, although I have placed this, I'm going to leave this for at least a couple of hours and place something heavy on top of it and leave it just like this. We'll be back after this is done properly. Yep. So this is how it's looking right now. Stuck. Last step. We're going to now spray paint it. I had not shaken the can properly, and the nozzle was blocked due to old residue, and that's the reason this is what happened. So you can learn from my mistake. second coat, I'm using regular acrylic paint, white in color. This is how it looks right now. Quite happy with how it looks. I'm going to add this ribbon to the edge. I'm going to do that. Some of this fabric paint. I will be distressing it now with a little bit of paint. I've got one of this chalk paints from Dollar Tree. So I've used a little bit of this paint here on this strip because I don't want to use a lot. I'm going to use one of these brushes. Just distress it. Best to use one direction. As much as you're tempted to use a lot, don't. You're just going to brush it. That's it. I really like how this upcycle project turned out. Thank you for visiting me today. If you like my tutorial, please like and give it a thumbs up. Please leave a note in the comment section if you have any queries. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know when I upload my new videos. Thank you again. Bye bye.